Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video I'll try to talk about the Realme GT series launching dates in India. Yes friends, finally it's happening. So very soon we'll be seeing the Realme GT series. So there will be 3 models which are going to launch in India with a different Snapdragon processors. So I'll try to explain exactly in this video what are the dates. So in case if you plan to buy the smartphones, I would definitely say slightly postpone the dates. Maybe the Realme GT series might be slightly good in terms of at least one model. Not all the models, at least one model might be really good. So just slightly postpone until the Realme GT series get launched. So let's take a look at when the Realme GT is going to get launched in India. So recently with the video on the questions asking with the Madhav, they did ask the question like when will the Realme GT will launch in India? And for that question, Madhav did reply that on August 18th, it will be launching in India. As you can see, it's the Realme GT series. And the Realme GT series will include a couple of models, as not just one model, couple of models. So which can be the Snapdragon 888 processor, which is the Realme GT, that is a top end processor. And next is the Realme GT Master Explorer Edition, which is also another Snapdragon 870 processor. So next is another Realme GT Master Edition, which is a Snapdragon 778G processor. I think these are the 3 processors from the Snapdragon which are going to get launched on the August 18th. Yeah. So now let's take a look at all the 3 models what the Realme GT lineup gonna have. So I'll try to explain few specifications about them. So first let's start with the Realme GT series. So Realme GT has got the Snapdragon 888. So this will be the high-end processor and with a 4500 mAh of battery capacity and 6.43 inches. So same kind of Realme X1 Max. So there's nothing much difference in the screen size, and the camera also kind of same 64 megapixel only. So nothing much difference apart from the Snapdragon 888 processor. And next lineup will be the Realme GT Master Explorer Edition. So this is another, as you can see, I think Master Explorer or Explorer Master. So this is another model which has got the Snapdragon 870 chipset, as you can see, Snapdragon 870 with 50 megapixel camera and 4500 mAh of battery capacity and slightly big screen, 6.55 inch screen, and you may get the curved display as well. That's another good advantage, as you can see friends clearly, curved display. So Realme GT Master Explorer Edition. So next third lineup is the Realme GT Edition, as you can see, Master Edition, Realme GT Master Edition, which has got the Snapdragon 778G processor. So this comes with a slightly replica of less battery, which is a 4300 mAh of battery capacity, but 64 megapixel camera and 6.43 inches of screen size. So in my opinion, I think the Snapdragon 870 is the only one model which has got the curved display. So let's see friends on the August 18th what the prices of this phone's gonna be. Let me know in the comment section below what phone are you interested in buying. So for me, I am really interested to buy the Snapdragon, I think 888 from the Realme, maybe because I don't have the Realme Snapdragon 888 obviously. That's what I want to test it, how good it is optimized in the Realme phones. So let me know in the comment section below friends, what are the other phones you are interested, other models, what line of models you are interested. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. See you. Bye.